To the girl that said to wrap your straight hair with pantyhose, baby, I could kiss you in the mouth. So I wrapped it like this last night, and then I needed to come to LA today, so I wore it to the airport and then took it out literally at the airport, and baby, still looking fresh, brand new. So it's time to go to bed. I'm gonna wrap this thing back on up so it's good for tomorrow. So basically, you get some regular pantyhose. These are like $1. You cut the toes off of it. Still tied up. Yeah, so you cut the toe off of the pantyhose, right? And then you just put it on your head. Yeah, it look crazy. So then you're gonna split your hair in two in the back and like pull it down on each side. And you're gonna reach up through the pantyhose and basically grab your hair and put it in the leg. So you just grab the hair and then pull it into the leg. Yeah. When you get done, it should look like this. And then, honey, you tie that thing like a do-rag. Hey! I said, honey, that thing was too easy. It stayed on all night. I threw my bonnet on over top of it, and that thing was good to go the next day. Child, you did this right here. If y'all know who it was, y'all go tag her in this video because, ma'am, genius is you. The Lord gonna bless you for this right here.